And then, what are you doing?
Show me that belly.
That belly. There's no belly there.
Turn.
That belly.
Yes, we like that. Tell us about your day so far.
Got some laundry.
No. Let's talk about contractions.
I know, we don't have contractions.
We don't care about laundry. We just know it gets done.
That's a man speaking right there.
Honey, back to the baby.
Yes, we're having contractions. They're not really regular, I don't know. Kind of.
She better not go today. She better go Saturday night.
I'm talking to Keanen on my own. We have lots of alone time. We talk about this stuff.
Not
It's
fair.
between me and him. So, jump.
Okay, we'll just go back, get some food, feed the boy.
I don't know what to eat. Well, I boiled his pacifiers today, too. So
Oh,
he's all
great.
ready.
Now he's not going to have any. She boiled them. They're gone.
They're all ready for him, all sanitized and ready. So.
Oh, good.
Yep. Just painful. Ba-boom. There he is, a little squirt. Big
Yep.
squirt.
How wide is she? Let's see. Step in front of the ice maker. Oh,
Do I hide it?
back up just a hair. Okay. You're the exact width of there to there. Thank you for complying. And we'll cut it off.